pretty little thing with your pretty little dreams. I can see you. I can see
Nabi, together with Mommy and Daddy. Palakpakan naman.
Say, I am here too. I am here.
Una sa lahat ay salamat sa lahat ng makapunta at inyong pinansin at first birthday ng aming baby, Nineng, Nabi. Maraming salamat at kaysa part ng celebration na to. Ngayon.
Do it your way. Do it your way.
Sa literal na napakainit. Salamat at ramdam na ramdam po namin ang napakainit yung pagmamahal sa amin. Kasi kahit medyo malayo talaga, pinuntahan nyo kami. So, thank you po.
To have it all together now. To have it all.
First game natin, madaling-madali lang to. Gigreet lang si Nabi dahil ito yung unang birthday ni Nabi. Gigreet natin siya ng happy birthday or longest tune or longest happy birthday.
All together now.
Happy birthday, Nabi!
Happy birthday, Nabi!
One.
Happy birthday, Nabi!
Happy birthday, Nabi!
Happy birthday, Nabi!
I am here too. Don't have to have it all together now. To have it all. You don't have to.
Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nabi!
Fly, 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 fly. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now.
Sana hindi na magkasakit. Hinapit talaga namin yung pagpapagamot before mag-birthday. Sabi naman sa daw ganon. And baby, sana tuloy-tuloy lang, mabait ka. And yun lang, thank you po ulit sa inyong lahat.
I love you, baby. Masaya ako na ikaw ay 1-year-old na. Ang wish ko, lagi na kinakanta ko sa'yo tuwing gabi, ay lumaking maganda, mabait at may takot sa Panginoon.
All together now.